Hello everybody. So it's an unboxing today. So this is my second pedal from Sonicake. I love this logo. I don't think my old one had that logo. That is really cool. It is a warp dimension pedal. I bought this because it was, well, it wasn't very expensive, and I do like Sonicake's work. I have the bass, what is it called, Bass Avenue or something like that. It's for the bass. It's like a multi pedal. So let's see, what does it come with? Well, it comes with manual, how to use. I'm gonna look for the PDF for that. Comes with two Velcro strips that I won't use because I don't like to put Velcro on my pedals. And so now let's get into the box here as I bounce stuff around. Pull this away. Ooh. And then we pull this one away. Ooh. And there we go. Yes, and yes, I'm keeping the box. So here we are. So why did I buy this? Well, I bought it because I do not have a tremolo. This kind of reminds me, the way this works here, I haven't plugged it in or anything yet, but it reminds me of the way Boss works their cube amps, where you kind of dial where you want to be on the system. So it has two. It's got a tap tempo. Well, it's on off, of course. Got the light beside it. You got your depth, your level, your tone, your rate. And yeah, so it is a mono, so it's just an in and an out. There's no others, and you got the adapter. There's no battery for it. I will have to put it on an adapter. No big deal. So that is what I got. I'm going to play with it shortly and see how it works, and then come back with a full review at some point. So if you enjoy this kind of stuff, like and subscribe. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.